Investment is a good thing. And I want to tell you that there is no way your money can grow. There is no way your money can multiply without investments. Yes. An investment is a way that in business, you put your money in a certain account or some fixed account that you are not working, whether you don't use it, but it is multiplying itself. It is by itself generating some income. It is by in itself generating some profit, making you some more money. This is what is called investment. These days we have a lot of them, a number of platforms that normally offer investments. Like if you go to the banks, you go to the circles, you go to the MF account, the money market fund accounts, you go to the bonds, the bills, the government infrastructure bonds. So these are some of the avenues that you can put your money and money multiplies. Your money generates. Yes. You put the money there, you can put the deposit account, you can open the deposit account, and you can put money there. Money you can easily withdraw. Some of them they put the shares. Those are investments. The rates, those are investments. Yes. Real estate, those are investment. These are places or you find like companies where you can buy shares. You can find like companies where you can deposit your money, but at the end of the day or at the end of the year, at the end of the month, that money multiplies. Yes. And normally they multiply in percentages. Like you can realize sometimes when you put like let's say like even 50,000, even 10,000, there's some of them going up to even 100 bob per day. Yes, you put investment like the account I will explain to you later, 100 bob per day. Then at the end of the day, that money multiplies. Yes, there is the one like the money market funds. Money market funds normally compounds. So when you talk about investments, like we talk about most of these days, we talk about the people have moved from the old accounts that we had in the olden days of investments. Like olden days, people used banks. The olden days, people used circles. But these days, there are a lot of avenues that have come, a lot of companies that have come to make you um, multiply your money in a way that your money can be at rest. You continue doing other things, and the money in the account is generating some income. One of them that we have today is we call the money market fund. Money market fund is this account. There are a lot of them, like Etika. We have the Emele. We have the ones like there are very many. Citon. There are very many. So there are very many money market funds that you can deposit your money, and money market funds normally are regulated. They are normally regulated by the body that is concerned about that. So you put your money there in the money market fund, your money compounds. Yes. Normally, most of them they go on the interest of like 10% per annum. Some of them 13%. Some of them up to 17% per annum. But normally we need to understand it. This is something you need to understand that before you put your money there, you understand where you're putting your money in. Like the money market fund, normally they say per year. Some of the people they deposit money there, then they expect one day the money has generated. You expect to put 100,000 there, then you expect that at the end of the day you'll find 100, maybe 100,000, maybe 1,000 on top. It takes time, especially when it comes to investments. Investments normally they have limited percentages. The percentage is down. They generate small interests, but the good thing is that they are secure. They generate small interest, but they are secure. Your money is safe in them. Normally, in fact, the biggest percentage normally goes up to maybe 17%. 17 and below, mostly 17 and below per annum. Yes. You put your money there, your money generates. Like in MMF, they compound. There are MMFs that gives like 13%. There are those that give 15%. There are those that give uh, 17, 16 as per the interest. And the interest like that. So we have a number of them that we shall discuss another day, but we have another method of investment where you can put your money and your money can generate income. We have the shares. You can buy shares. Like you go to Nairobi stocks, you can buy your shares there. Then from the shares, there's a way you can, it generates. It gets you some more money. It generates some interest. Yes, the shares. So you can go there, you can buy the shares. Another way you can generate your money, where money can work for you, we have what is called the rates. Rates also, there's a way they work. Yes. Another one where you can also put your money and money work for you. We have the government bills. We have the government bonds. Yes. The treasury bills, where you go to the government, you go to the government, especially if you want to go directly. The best thing you can do, maybe if you're in Nairobi, you go to central bank. Yes. You go to central bank, you open what you call those account, the CSD account. So with the central bank, they will help you open a CSD account. And with the CSD account, there is a way the CSD account operate, because CSD, Central Bank of Kenya, does not own, they don't allow you to open the accounts. So you open what's called the what is called the CSD account. When you open the CSD account, you combine the CSD account, you link it with the normal accounts. These normal accounts like the Equity account, the KCB account, like the Family Bank account, the Cooperative account. When you link with it, there's a way the transaction normally happens. And then they put you money there. Where the interest, once you get the interest will move from the CSD account into the account, which is the maybe KCB, maybe the Equity, and the rest. So that is how that is what is called the treasury bills and the treasury bonds. You do business with the central bank. Yes, you do business with the central bank. So other ways that you can deposit your money, we have even like the Safaricom. The Safaricom also have some way, is a way you can do business with Safaricom, like even the buying shares. You can also have the fixed deposit account with them. They have like the Mshwari. There's a fixed deposit account in Mshwari. So when you go to Mshwari, there's a way you can put your money there and your money multiplies. Money generates money for you. Yes. In a way, you can be sleeping and your money is making money for you. Though it's normally a small percentage, but it is more than putting your money in the bank, because they are like these days we have a lot of uh, things have changed. Generally, things have changed, and people have come with new ways to make more money. So those are one of the ways you can make more money, by making your money generate. So that wherever you put your money generates something. There are also in other investment where you can also do business. Yes, you can also have a business. Then at least of the day, your money continue to generate. There are a lot of other avenues that we shall talk about that can also make you fix your money, and then money brings some profit. But also, and this is a warning to most of the people today, I want to warn these people. Today, there are people who have come up with their websites. And these websites, they are conning people. Websites that are conning people. They open the account, they operate just like the money market fund. Yes. You fix your money there like 50,000, like 100,000. Some of them, they operate in dollars. They tell you to open the dollar account. You deposit money. And they give you very good percentages. Some of them, they give like 5% per day. My friend, do you know what 5% per day is? Every day, your money is generating 5%. If you put 20,000, 20,000 times 5% per day, in a week, how much you have? Which business can you give that a big amount? There is no business in this town. There is no business in this Kenya that can generate such amount of money. Where the money you put, you don't even work. The money you've deposited daily, you get 5%. Some of them give 7% daily. Even 1 point something percent is not a small, that's a big money. So those are most of them are scammers. So to the investors, the young investors coming, the young business people that want to do business, you hear about the money market fund, you hear about the treasury bills, you hear about the treasury bonds, and then you hear about the shares, people buy shares, you hear about people doing investment. Then you come to these groups of scammers. Personally, I've been scammed. Last year, before I knew this, I think like it last year. I lost 100,000 Kenya shillings. Yes, 100,000 Kenya shillings. That's a lot of money. 100,000 is a amount of money that can make you do something. Even if you want to spoil yourself with 100,000, it's a lot of money, and you can do a lot of things. This is a lot of money that you can put a big business. But I lost it through those scammers. So I want to tell you today, bro, this is something that normally occurs. This is something that exists. If you hear people losing money, big money, like there's that company where we were, we lost. I lost personally. I lost 100,000 Kenya shillings. There are some other friends of mine that lost like 200,000. Some other people lost 300,000. There are people lost 500,000. Some people lost 1 million. Yes, because they come to you, they convince you, and you see the unity. You fix your money there. First week they give you the profit. You get the profit. You've already put your money there, maybe 50,000, maybe 100,000. The first week, money is multiplying every day. Remember, for every day, 5%. For 1 week, yes, 1 week that is like 25%. 25%. I mean, not even 25. 5 times 7, because some of them operate 11 weekends. 5 times 7, that's 35%. Can you multiply 35% times 700,000? Tell me the money you get there. So it was a good money. So they come with such opportunities. They show you the deal. They show you how you can make money in those areas. At the end of the day, first 1 week you get the money. Second week you try withdrawing the money. There's no withdrawal happening, and that's how your money is scammed. So they have come with avenues to scam people. So this warning I want to give to the investors today who are doing investment, people who are thinking of doing investments, that anytime you hear people telling you, oh, we are going to give you 5% per day, we are going to give you 1.5% per day, we are going to give, those are just scammers, bro. When the deal is too good, think twice. When you see the deal too good, think twice. So a lot of avenues, then the people are putting you in groups. Yes, they put you in groups. Within no minute, you realize you have lost a lot of money. You have lost big sum of your money. The money you could have enjoyed by yourself. The money you could have done something good with it. Because this of the appetite. You see, appetite has made people to fall in these traps. Because when they come, they show you big amount of money. They show you the big profits that even if yourself, when you see that big profit, you can see in 1 week you've made a lot of money. But now you realized at the end of the day you are scammed. You lost your money. You can even kill yourself. Yes. Just imagine these small hustlers. Like in Nairobi, you are just a small hustler, maybe Kisumu, wherever you are. Yes. You meet someone, all your savings, maybe 100,000. All your saving, maybe 500,000. You deposit it there, it is all gone. You have lost all that money. Where will you start? You can even faint. Some people faint. Yes. You can lose focus. And it means you're going to start again. You are going to start again afresh. So be warned of such groups. Be warned of such WhatsApp groups. Mostly they operate in WhatsApp groups. They operate in WhatsApp groups. They fix you there. Within a minute you have done that. Another scammer is here with the Forex thing. Most of these Forex things are scammers. I'm not saying all of them, but some of them are scammers. Cryptocurrency, what? Most of them are scammers. You realize within a minute, your money is gone. 1 to 2 days, your money is gone. We lost money in just 1 week. In fact, not 1 week. Within, it was 3 days. 3 days, my 100,000 was gone. Yes. And some other people that you are with. So I want to tell you that investment is good. And as young men, let's do investments. Let's not have money lying in the banks. Let's not have money lying in things we don't understand. But at least we can have some money that we can have it growing. We can have it multiplying each and every day. But you cannot do this through investments. Those avenues that I've told you. Like in Kenya, they're giving good profits. They're giving good interests. This can generate some amount of money. Like you can realize in a month, you can realize sometimes when you go to like the other day we have the infrastructure bonds. So when you come to bonds, you see now bonds and the bills normally go for like 3 months or 2 months, 3 months, 9 months. But when it comes to the bonds normally go like for 5 years, 10 years. But the good thing is that there's a lot of security because this is government. A lot of security in bonds, and your money is safe. Your money is very safe. So you can take care of that, so that at the end of the day, your money is getting some generations, is generating some income. Yes, because you can hear this day there a lot of inflation. You put money in the bank, through inflation, you lose a lot, you lose it. So when you invest that money, at least it will make some productivity. It will make some increase, so that at the end of the day, you will come to realize that your growth is inevitable. So take warning on those few warnings that you have also said on such like incidences. And those incidences are very many, very many. And even you watching me now, I know you are in such groups. You are in such groups, your friend in such groups. Itakuramba. Itakuramba tu. So before it happens, mimi nimekuchanua. Now if you're clever enough, take action. Just get out. Get out and get yourself very safe. My name is Seth, your coach. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, so that anytime you upload new videos like this, you're going to get the video. Subscribe, share our videos, and also like the video. Follow, do a follow, so that anytime you upload new videos, you're going to get the video and you're going to learn something new every day. This is New Life Educators Room. It teaches you the modernity, the new life, new way investment, new way of doing business, new way of doing dating, new way of doing everything, so that you can be on top of or ahead of others.